Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a PS3 emulator so you can play old PS3 games, like, well, here's a few examples on the screen here. So first, you're going to want to install, well, I did that wrong. First, you want to install the RCPS3 emulator. Don't use the link on the website. It's a little buggy, so just copy this and paste it here. And then you click on the website, go to download, and then you're going to want to click this one or these, depending on what you are on. So I'm on Windows, so I'd be installing this. It's now going to appear right here. It's going to be compacted. You're just going to want to extract it. And now that it's extracted, you want to click the application right here. This is fine, trust. And it's now going to show you a screen like this. Create all that. I've read the quick start guide. It's an open saying. Yeah, you can read all that on your own time. And this is the emulator. You would press this and input your game here, which would appear down here. So now I'm going to show you how to get a game. So here I'm on Dragon Ball Z Open 10 Tenkaichi. I am installing it. If it opens any other links, just go back to this page. It'll show up when it's ready. Don't go to any of their websites. I suggest using an ad blocker. I just realized I already had a game installed, so I'm just going to use this game right here as an example. So when you install it, it's going to come, once it's done this, you press open, and then it'll show all this, but as you can see here, it is now its own DVD. So you're going to go to the emulator, press open, and click this. Locate, press update, press open, press update, press open. It's going to sometimes ask you for an update. Update it, don't show it again. Okay. And just give it a moment. But it is now opening my game. Here it is, the game. It's here now. Sengoku Basara Samurai Heroes. This is how I made a previous video. I just went in here and played the game for a while. It's a pretty good game. Anyways, here's a demonstration to prove that it works. You can use Xbox controllers, PlayStation controllers, your keyboard, to decide what you want to use. You're going to want to press configure. You're not going to want to press configure. I lied. You're going to want to press pads and then device, handlers. And if you want to use like Xbox, press SDL. Connect your Xbox controller or PlayStation controller would be right here on these DualShocks 3 or 4. Just give me a moment. now that I've connected to my Xbox controller, it should now appear when I press refresh. Here it is, my Xbox Series X controller 1. You can move the buttons around to, I guess, do stuff, but you're going to want to press save, and once you're in the game, well, once you're in the game, it'll do what you set it to do. It's pretty reliable on the games that I've tried it on. Some games aren't compatible yet, so you're gonna want to wait if you want to play certain games, because this is still pretty new, as you saw that I updated it. So yeah, this is my video on the RPC3S3 or RPCS3. Bye. So I actually lied. There's one more note. So before you go, this is me pointing at the videos and also telling you that this is a very unique video, because I usually play the games, not tell you how I'm going to play them. Enjoy this. Bye.